Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into your Microsoft account. This ties the gift card to your profile. Once signed in, go straight to redeem and enter the 25-character code, no delays. Make sure the account region matches the card, otherwise redemption will fail. If prompted, select whether to add funds to your Microsoft balance or apply to a purchase. After you confirm, the balance updates instantly, and you're ready to spend on apps, subscriptions, or Xbox content. Now apply the redeemed balance to a purchase. First, pick the item or subscription and proceed to checkout, then choose Microsoft Balance as your payment option. If the balance doesn't cover the total, make sure to add a secondary payment method before finalizing. Once you confirm payment, the system deducts from your balance automatically and sends a receipt. If buying a subscription, check the renewal settings so future charges use your preferred method, rather than draining the gift balance unexpectedly. Finish by verifying the updated balance and purchase history on your Microsoft account page so you know the funds were applied correctly. Make sure the receipt email matches the item and amount charged. If it's a subscription, confirm the renewal date. If something goes wrong, like an invalid code or region mismatch, sign out, sign back in, and carefully re-enter the code. If issues persist, contact Microsoft support with your receipt and card details. They can trace redemptions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.